Vlog time again, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If you guys are new here, welcome. Returning viewer, welcome back to another video. What a week it has been, guys. We launched our first book, which is a coloring book designed to teach children about autism, another form of neurodivergency. We had our first business trade show with MJ Squared, which is a mobile app and web app platform designed to connect parents and caregivers of neurodivergent children. So you guys might have noticed that you did not get as much videos as you would have become accustomed to over the course of this week. But that being said, we're going on the road today, and of course we're taking you guys with us. So come along as we go on the road. We're going to be going to the mall, to the park, and probably to Walmart or one of those stores. Hit that subscribe button if you are proud of the work we're doing, or if you enjoy these kind of videos. The best way to let us know is to hit the like button and let your comments known right down below. So come along, guys, as we go on the road.
Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got.
It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Malika, stop lifting up your clothes. Stop lifting up your clothes, man. What time the mall closed again? Let's keep lifting it up. Which side of the bookshop again? All the way down to the right. The car park look a lot more busier than the actual mall. We need a trip to this store. No, I said I need a trip to this store. I don't actually. I said we need a trip to this store. Well, we are going pretty soon. What's this right here? Photos. Is this a photo backdrop? One Planet. Play, take action, trivia. You want a chance to win $250? My plant skills is not 100, so it's a very slim chance that I'll be winning.
It's supposed to be somewhere.
I wish they had more direction. Books. Let's check down here stuff first, then. Go. What the name of it? Oh, I thought you were beside me. See? Oh, close. The grumpy monkey. US $13, so Canadian $15 or thereabouts. Just wanted to it like that. Huh?
Depends on the book.
So like Canadian $11. You guys didn't go to the library today. Mommy and Daddy was
We
occupied.
read the book.
Hmm?
Not even read the book today, no.
Okay. Let's come, Alia. It's actually a pretty big bookstore. Why have I not noticed this store before? That's all. If you didn't catch her eye. She's all about it. She's in her dress era. You know they say what, your soft girl era?
It's nice.
She's in her dress era. This one?
It's nice, man.
I don't know if I like this one, bitch. I think I like the
What?
let me see which one of these.
I want you. Which one?
Okay.
Ever choose something else other than blue. Something wrong with you.
Well, this one at the end don't really look that bad.
Mommy, you have good taste. Come on.
Something is wrong with it?
What? The one at the end?
One at
is
the
just
end.
regular.
Which one do you like, Malia?
Which one you like? Right. So you like it?
Cause she like it. That's all she needs to say, cause she likes it.
I'm so cold.
Come on. Next stop. Mission accomplished at the mall, or you want to walk around a little bit more? You don't need to walk around? Okay, let's go then. If you didn't do that, so you would not name Malia.
You like those? I know, it's purple, right?
Oh, this. Yeah, this is nice actually. I just noticed that this is actually a glass roof right here. I've never had actually look up before. I've not actually looked up before. Right here, so is that this store right here just keep changing the mobile care. That was the piercing place. The ears piercing place. Yeah. Oh. Alright guys, so this part of the video is called Motivational segment. And I want to take the time out right now to do this segment because we all need a little bit of motivation sometimes, and including ourselves, right? Something that I've been learning over the past couple of months is that when you're trying to focus on yourself, you're gonna end up burning a lot of bridges unintentionally. Because when you're focusing on yourself, having that tunnel vision in every sense of the word, not everybody's gonna understand it. Sometimes persons are gonna expect you to be the same person you have been all along, like showing up for them. Like whenever they call on you to go certain places, to hang out, to chill, all of those things, you're always available, ready and waiting. But when you're focusing on yourself, you have to make sacrifices. And those sacrifices can sometimes be, instead of going out with the persons that you have always gone out with, you can't do that anymore. Because now you're probably in the gym working on your health. Or you're probably learning something new that's going to be beneficial in your career. Or trying a new business, or trying something else. But this point, as I said, this part of the video is motivational conversation, because I want you guys to know that, listen, separation sometimes equal elevation. And it took me a while to understand that. Because Nats can tell you, I am the type of person who always shows up. I like matter? I like matter?
Always shows up no matter what, even delaying things to do for your family or for yourself. You always show up for people. So, yeah.
Sometimes though, doing that, you have to make sure that your business is handled first. Because we always hear say, I got empty barrel can't stand up. You can't pour from an empty cup. Mm-hmm. So if your cup is empty, as much as you want to help, you're not going to be able to do anybody much justice if your cup is empty. So it's better your cup is at least halfway full or close to full, and then you can start pouring into somebody else's cup. But you have to be okay with that and know that there comes a time when you have to focus on yourself. And even the story about that Nuts, as again, giving Nuts our flowers, because Nuts is the one who pioneered that. I'm just supporting the journey where that's concerned. This has been a conversation for a while. But unless you get up and actually put action to your ideas, it's not going to go anywhere. And sometimes those actions is going to cause you to lose some friends. It's going to cause you to lose some family members. It's just how it is. You just have to be okay with knowing that, put yourself first sometimes. So get up now and go to the gym. Or if you can't afford a gym membership, you go for a walk or go and just do some home exercise. Just do something to put your health first. If you have an idea that you've been trying to get off the ground, even with research.
It's just starting. Because the idea for the book came like a month ago, but I didn't start. Remember I told you about it and I'm like, oh, this is a great idea. Mm-hmm. And I did not start. But something clicked. And it was like, we went on it. And the execution, we did it.
Yeah.
And now it's actually here.
It says, a dream without action is a wish. A dream with action becomes a goal. So don't forget that, guys. Don't forget that, guys. A dream without action is just a wish. Wishful thinking. But once you put action to that idea, that dream, it then becomes a goal. A goal is something that you're working towards step by step. And really and truly, that's what it is, because you're not going to just get to your final destination overnight. You get baby steps. Journey, right? Mm-hmm. Different things make up the bigger picture. So, you start by doing this, then you start by doing that, then you start by doing that, and then you see the bigger picture. I started this vlog by telling you guys about our first trade show. That was a surreal feeling. How did you feel?
I'm still in awe. Why? Because the idea, when we were thinking about it, I didn't see myself at a shade show. Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet anyway. And when we set up and we're there, and just to see the logo and a banner and people coming up to us, and we telling persons about our mission and what it stands for, it hits. No, I'm saying that it just started from my idea.
Just an idea.
Yeah, it hits different.
Idea plus action equal results. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's just been an amazing week. And yeah, we're looking forward to bigger and better things. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's continue. We're going to the park. These kids are gonna start acting up very soon. Okay, Malika and Malia, come on, we're at the park. Are you excited? Are you excited, Malika? Come. Malika, you're just getting heavy. You're getting heavy. Getting big. Turning into a big girl. The pan no melted. It's been so warm. Oh yeah, it's a little bit windy. Are you okay? Oh.
You need a jacket? You need a jacket? No? You need a jacket? Yeah. She needs a jacket. You want to purchase a jacket?
Careful, Malia, might not fall. Oh, that's such a big dog. Is it a he or her?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. What's his name?
Farley.
You want to? Yeah, she's autistic, so she loves animals.
She goes to Riverstone, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I just finished my teaching practicum there.
Oh,
so I used to see her all the time.
That's right. Say hi, Malika.
Hi.
You want to touch Farley? Oh, such a big boy.
I know, and he's only 8 months old.
That's crazy.
He'll get way bigger.
Yeah.
Okay. Good boy.
I'm sure her sister is coming across the street. She see her touching her, she's gonna want to come and touch her too. Look at her running. Look at her.
Sit. Good
You
boy.
want to touch her again, Malika?
Might give you kisses.
Malia, you want to come and touch Farley?
Oh,
Yeah.
he's pretty big.
Whoa. Malika is a dog whisperer.
That's a pretty big dog, hey, Malika.
My phone sometimes.
She knows Malika from Riverstone.
Yeah, I just finished my teaching practicum there. I was one of the student teachers, so
Yeah.
I'd always see her. I was in grade 1, so she'd always walk past.
Come on, Malia.
Oh my goodness.
Look at Malia over here, acting scared.
Are you showing off your belly? Oh, now you're showing off your belly.
8 months old.
What?
8
Yeah,
months.
he's only 8 months.
So, when he's a little older,
I'm probably not gonna get much bigger.
he's gonna get
is he?
bigger.
So he's about 115 pounds right now. He'll be about 180.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
So he'll probably be a little bit taller. The girls could like ride him to school.
That's what I'm saying. Malia, come on, don't be shy.
It's because he's so big, hey? He's a big puppy.
Malika, one more pet and then go. Let's go.
You want to touch a puppy?
Oh, good girl. He's soft, hey?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Come on, Malia.
Bye, girl.
Malia is acting like a scaredy cat. You didn't want to touch the puppy, Malia? Too big? Take your hands out your mouth, Malika. You were just petting the dog. Oh, she's cranky. She's cranky. I went in the swing first. Who wants to go in the swing next? Malika? Use the words, Malia. Malika wants to go to the swing? Come, Malika.
She's pushing.
Come. Got it? Hold on. Hold on, Malika. Malika, take your hands out your mouth. Wow, Malia, that's good turning. Do you want to go down the slide? Hold on and do it. You can do it. Be brave. You can do it. It's not that high. I promise you it's not. Give it a try. Give it a try. Yes, Malika. Come. Look. I'm going down. See? Whoa. Come. Your turn. Isa, are you want to go in the bus? Trees. Oh yeah, the leaves. Oh yeah. Then it's gonna be green again very soon. I'm so excited.
You gonna work?
Why are you choosing to step on it? It's not even for that, Malia. Ah ha ha ha, she got shocked. It's static. Ha ha ha. Cause you shouldn't be doing it. Watch your head, Malika. Good job.
In the bus.
Driver seat.
In the bus.
Yeah, and the steering.
Yes, baby girl. Push one.
This is what she means. She means she wants it to be a rocky road. It's a rocky road. It's a rocky road, Malia. Wow. Wow. Make sure you got on your seatbelt. Make sure, Malika, do you have on your seatbelt? Make sure you guys all have on your seatbelt. Again. Malika, head in the vehicle at all times. Come, your turn for shake. See a bird?
Yeah.
You see the bird?
Two sisters driving?
Yeah.
Look in front at all times, Malia. Too much driving. Malika, turn the steering. Turn the steering. Beep, beep, beep. You're in the school bus. Malika in the school bus too.
Sing the song, Malia.
Isa, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, Isa. High five, Malika. High five. Good job. Good job.
You know,
High five, Malia.
you know what Malika did? I found Malika, so Malika.
Too slow. Head in the vehicle at all times.
Daddy,
Yes?
in the window.
Head in the vehicle at all times.
Daddy, in the window.
You're in the window?
Yeah.
You're looking through the window?
Yeah.
You're not driving the bus?
Yeah.
Remember, the passenger, in this case, who's your sister, wants to get to their destination. Lisa. In here, nice and warm. Let's get some fruits. You hear that, Malia? Tunnel vision. You remember this? One of this thing I will carry right now. Huh? It's in the car, you know, convinced me to buy it the last time we were here. So I told her that this is their strategy, you know, babes. They put the kids' things as soon as they come in the store, so that the kids are a guilty parent into buying it. $5, this right here. We can't tell them more baby in the house,
She
babes.
love the babies.
So there's like 3,000 baby in the house already.
You gonna get Hey, put it in the cart, please. Don't pull it out. You need to pay for it. It's $5.
You really buy more, baby?
Well, she loves these new ones. You want one?
Pick up
Did you say
these.
thank you? Malika,
Malika, say thank you.
say thank you?
Good
You're
job.
welcome.
Malia, did you say thank you?
You're welcome.
Come, let me put them in the pocket. I shall go on them.
Baby.
Eye shopping? That's okay. You have to fake it till you make it.
Take what? What am I taking?
With everything in life, you have to fake it till you make it. So you eye shop until you can actually shop. That's what it is. You're not faking it till you make it? Well, that's just you. I'll continue faking it till I make it. Why Malika take off the price?
Keep it. Malika.
I mean, a fair one, right? See, they always find a way to convince you that you are me. They take up something at the front. Because they don't need it. Okay, let's grab some fruits. And I need asparagus. Yeah, but the strawberry and grape good like expensive in here. $2.97, $3. That's not too bad? Okay. Malia, come and help mommy pick up grapes. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the asparagus. Got them? Green grapes.
You know what?
Cup lettuce. Huh? It's still in the fridge. Yeah. Bag up on the soda, please, babes. 97. Malia, leave the lettuce. Stop tearing off the lettuce, please. Thank you. Okay. Come, Malia. Oh, avocado. Well, no, the avocado look expensive in here, man. Come, Malia. Oranges. Go, Malia. Lemon is very sour. You want to taste it? You want to taste the lemon? Are you sure? You're not gonna like it, you know. And these lime are pretty big. 77 cents per lime. Okay, put on the lime, mama. This is also very sour. It's not like apples or strawberries.
Healthy smiles start with Colgate. Head to the oral care aisle to find the right toothpaste for you. Designed by experts and backed by science, Colgate is your partner in oral health.
Yeah, $6 for them to drive something. Man, this pains my heart. No, no, babes. No, just let it stay. Leave it alone. Come on, break it. $0.78. Come on, let's go. Let's see if they're having a $25 chicken. Let me know. Oh, it's been a while since I picked up one of my regular. Okay. Malia. Come on, Malia. Time to go to the cashier. Yeah. Want anything else, pressing? Forget it. Okay, let's go. Let's go home and do dinner because I'm hungry. $4.97. This is another thing they do for catch you know. Right at the cashier till. You know, just in case I never remember say I want a cupcake. Right in front of you. Malia, no candy.
No candy, we are so much at home.
Come. Yes guys, so we are back home, and as we wrap up this video guys, we just want to take the opportunity think you're easy. We just want to take this opportunity to thank We just want to take this opportunity to thank all of you guys who have been subscribing to our channel, supporting us over the years, and all the persons who have recently joined our channel and will be joining our channel as well. We just want to say
Thank you.
we appreciate it. Are you okay, Malia? Yeah, we appreciate each and every one of you guys, and we can't do it without you guys. So thank you guys so much, and hopefully we are making you guys proud. All the persons who are living vicariously through us will continue to do the do. Right? So on behalf of me and Nats, big up, big up, big up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, payback.